It's NAB 2023. We are in the West Hall on the Broadcast Bionics stand. We've been doing a few videos with Broadcast Bionics, so do check those out on the channel. And Dan's joining me again. Hi, Dan.
Hi.
So we're looking at, I think, a brand new product here at NAB.
Yes, a brand new product that we're helping introduce into the broadcast market space.
Okay.
And these are 3 gigabit class routers.
Okay.
In particular at the show, we're talking about this one, which is the little brother of the range,
Okay.
which for mobile journalism or for kind of mobile reporting. So it's a full gigabit class router, but actually has 2 Wi-Fi modems in it for diversity. You also then have 2 SIM cards in there for 4G, 4G for this one,
Okay.
and then a LAN and a WAN port. So you've got 5 ways of getting data off of this, and all of those can be set up in different forms of diversity. So you can use bonding or carrier aggregation, or you can do packet duplication inside here, so you can send packets in multiple directions, giving you that security and that resilience. So this is the first part of the kind of platform. Then above this, there's a web-based, cloud-hosted management platform that lets you centrally manage and administer these. So your journalists throw this in a backpack or a bag, turn it on, and everything just gives you that secure tunnel through to the organization. And at that end, there's a product called Phantom that runs in software as a virtual machine. And that's putting those packets back together and giving you that secure tunnel on the other end. So something that's really fast, really rugged, really resilient, really secure.
It looks pretty well built, and it's going to withstand people chucking it in the bag, as you said.
Yeah, and inside here is a 10-hour battery. So that's going to run this mobile for 10 hours and even power to charge it there, and also power maybe to put in your phone or some other device. So if you're out and about and you need, as I say, this will do 180 megabits of a secure throughput on a VPN, and it'll be tunneling that through multiple connections. So it'll go out on Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi fails, it will fail back to 1 or more. So that's the little brother of the range.
Cool.
And then moving up, this one will do 550 megabits per second. And this is more of a format maybe to fit in the headliner of a truck or a vehicle for making outside broadcast facilities. It actually has 4 SIM cards. This is 5G. So again, gigabit class, but with 500 megabits of VPN throughput, but all those same sort of resiliency advantages. And then the larger version here, again, 5G, which will give you gigabit throughput on that, as well as the gigabit routing. But one of the reasons we're partnering with Celerway to bring these to the market is not just we think we need to have that capability from the edge. The exciting thing you'll see is us introducing new products on top of these, because each of these devices is capable of hosting containers. So we can, from that central core, actually push and manage software down to the edge. So it's not just bandwidth from the edge, but the ability to actually put applications and deploy things remotely, centralized, managedly, and connected back securely.
So what type of people have you been talking to NAB about these solutions?
Yeah, so mostly maybe mobile journalism or people looking to have that ability to produce content absolutely remotely.
Yeah.
Certainly people looking at SUVs or really small broadcast kind of trucks, etc. And then maybe something that you actually put in a facility or put out at a transmission site. So you can bring maybe Starlink, a fiber into here, and you've then got that fail back to 5G with a really secure and really fast failovers. The latency is fantastic, and you've got that really secure throughput to keep yourself on the air, no matter what the bandwidth is doing or what the coverage is like.
Sounds like there's going to be some exciting developments to be talking about in the coming months with that one as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
Available now?
Available now in this format, and as they look for more, as we put different broadcast applications on top of these, and I'm sure we'll have them back at IBC and NAB next year.
Yeah, and where can people find out more in the meantime?
They can find out more at bionic.radio.
Fantastic, Dan, thank you very much indeed. Do check out their website. We've also been talking about the new Bionic Studio, the virtual rack, and of course the table both have updates as well. For everything else that we're doing at the show, check out kitplus.com.